Okay, welcome back. This is part 3. So we created our channel. We worked on like our settings and like general features of our channel. And now we are going to do a little bit of branding. So I went to customize right here on the left. I went to branding, and here we have our profile picture, banner image, and watermark. We're going to work on the banner image first. I'm going to take you over here to Canva. And then I did a little practice one here of getting my colors down and figuring out what I wanted. So that's right here, but I'm going to create a new design. Now, I don't know what the right size is. I have done 3 already and they've been the wrong size. So Google it. Good luck to you. I've tried a couple different versions and it hasn't turned out right. So I'm going to try 1024 by 576 this time. And fingers crossed it works, because no joke, I've done this 3 times already. So, okay, I'm going to try to rush through this and get this banner created. This is not going to be a full-on Canva tutorial. I'll try to talk through what I'm doing. Hitting the text, Amanda's. I'm going to hit it again because I want it to be fresh. Numbers. And then, oh, I don't want that. I want this here. I want this here. I have a font for this. I already know the font. Recently used, so that helps me and saves me some time. Okay, now I'm just gonna grab a shape. I use squares a lot and then I just manipulate them. So I'm gonna make that at a 25% angle. All right, I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna paste. And I'm gonna turn that one white. And then I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna paste and I'm gonna turn that one this green color that I found earlier. So I'm gonna type in the hex code, which is 6 digits and numbers. Digits and numbers and letters, and I have that written down so I don't lose it. So these are some of the colors I like. All right, what do we think of that? Kind of weird. What do we think? Let me zoom out. Do we like the mismatch? Do we think they should all be perfectly even? I think I'm gonna shrink the gold again. Ooh, I don't like that as much because it looks like the gold is like a thing. Okay, I'm gonna go with it. I'm gonna go with it because, like I said, I've already done this 3 times. I'm kind of over it. And then let's see, what could I put in this corner? I could do one of these corners. I don't know if that goes well with what I already have. All right, let's shrink it. I like to make things smaller. What do you think? I think we're gonna go for it because you know what? Like I said, I've done this multiple times and I'm a little burnt out at this point. So we're going to download it. PNG's fine. And then I'm gonna drag it over here, put it in my folder, go back to YouTube, upload. Okay, fingers crossed, please work, please work. Okay, so I find this very confusing. I've done this multiple times and you definitely want to be careful with your stuff and where you put it. I guess I need to learn a little more because viewable on TV versus desktop versus all devices, like I want this to show up and look nice on phones. So a little unsure on that and how you make the best option, but I'm gonna call that good for now and keep it simple. Now I got a picture of myself here, so I'm gonna try to upload it and just see what happens. It's my husband's in it. I don't want him in it though. He's not on it or a part of my channel. Now you can probably tell there's somebody else in this photo, which is a bummer. So let's just try it, see what it looks like. Not the best. Okay, let me see if I can find remove background. Let me see if this is an option. Now, is it going to keep him as well? That's the question. Oh, son of a gun. Okay, so this is what I'm like debating. I'm gonna download this. I'm gonna try something here. I'm gonna put it right here. Now, what we're gonna do, this might be a little wonky, we're going back into Canva. So I'm gonna do a new design and I'm just gonna do 800 by 800, create a new design. Okay, so I'm gonna try to throw this in here. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and try to download this. Okay, let's go in here. Okay. You know what? It is what it is for now. Our final thing we're going to try to do is create this watermark. So it looks like image that's 150 by 150 is recommended. Let's jump back into Canva, create a new design. We're going to custom, so 150 by 150. And let me see if I can just hit YouTube and see if we get a logo. I don't know if that's something that is an option to use or not. Let's see, element. Let's try YouTube. Okay, so a lot of these are probably gonna cost you something. I'm gonna go ahead and just pick this one then. And we're just gonna fill it. And I don't know, should we add like subscribe? I think we'll do it. Okay, so we're gonna do subscribe here. I don't know, tacky or genius, not real sure. Position, okay, that's a 6, that's a 6. I think we'll do it together. I think we'll do subscribe here. Just making sure they're centered. All right, what do we think? I think we're gonna go for it. I am on a tight time frame here because it's nap time. So I'm just trying to get this knocked out as fast as I possibly can. And I know I made this folder. I need to throw all these in that folder. I will do that later in just a second. Let's upload. Let's go way down here, untitled. That's what I just, nope, cancel. Upload. Let's see, what did I just make? This one. Done. End of video, custom start time, entire video. I think I'm just gonna do end of video for right now. And then to save all these things that we did, we wanna go ahead and hit publish. Let's view channel. See what it's looking like. Okay, so my not so great profile picture. Where is my banner? Maybe if we click on home? Oh, okay, let's get back to my YouTube studio. Oh, I know, let's click here. There it is. Okay, well, obviously it's not perfect. So when you do create yours, I do recommend your name and stuff being kind of like compact in the center, which I don't love that by any means, but apparently it's what's necessary. The next thing we're gonna go over is creating a thumbnail, and that thumbnail will be for our first video we are going to upload. We are gonna get this YouTube channel started and get it going, even if it kills us. All right, see you in the next one.